Welcome back again to my channel, Wonderful Learners. So now we're going to be learning the light vowels and the examples. The light vowels are the dotted vowels. The A, E, A, O. They are the light vowels, the dotted vowels. Okay, now let's give examples of these vowels. So we're going to be starting with the light vowel sound. Udamfe. Here we have the ah, like ah, when you say ah. And we have aba, which is a bag. And we have abale, which means night. So speaking of the a sing, a sing, the vowel harmony, if you check the aba, the a is there and the a ends it, so it goes with the a vowel. The abale, the a and the a again, and the e. Did you see the e there? But the I with a dot under is the light vowel. So it must sing. It must harmonize. Let's go for the sentence. Abiaram, I came. If you check the sentence, there is light vowels in it. Means I in this sentence. Biara means came. But if you say biaram, it won't sound so nice. So that's why we add the a at the beginning, making it the root verb. Abiaram. Doesn't it sound better? Abiaram. So the a there doesn't mean I. Most people mistake a to be I. No. The I in this sentence is the M. That's the pronoun for I. Can be I, can be mine, can be me. Do you understand the vowel harmony? Okay. Let's look at another example, which is the A, just like the A in your ink. Ink, A. Okay, let's look at the examples. Iwa. Iwa means a drum. Inyinya. Inyinya, which is a horse. Don't forget, NY is one alphabet. That's the double consonants. So it sounds ny. If you haven't learned our ABCD, go back and learn it. Ny, inyinya. So the whole word sang the same A group. So let's go for the sentence. I gara. I is you pronoun. You. You went. I gara. So can you say I? That's the light I. And the next we're going to be learning is a. A. Just like the O in order. Ordinary. A is the O in the light vowel odamfe. Imatu. Example. A for okuko. Okuko. Okuko, which is a chicken. Oku. Oku, which is fire. Ogara. Ọ gara. He or she went. Ọ is also a pronoun used for he or she or it. Is actually a subject pronoun. Ọ gara. He or she went. Ọ gara ịzụta ọkụkọ. He or she went to buy chicken. Ọ gara ịgụta ọkụ. He or she went to fetch fire. Ọ gara. You might be wondering how you fetch fire. In Igbo, most people use firewood to cook. So when someone is cooking with firewood and you want to start up your own, you can drag fire from the other one to your own. So we say egota oko to fetch the fire. Ogara egota oko. Great job. So now we're going to be learning the U. That's the U with a dot. That's the light vowel. U. Imatu. For example, we have U for ulo. Ulo, which is a house. Upu. Upu. Leg. Unu hụrụ. You all saw. Unu is also a pronoun for you, plural. That's you all saw. Unu hụrụ. Hụrụ is saw. Hụ is see. Unu hụrụ. Unu hụrụ ọmarịcha ụlọ. You all saw a beautiful house. Unu hụrụ ụkwụ ya. You all saw he or she legs. So ụlọ means house. Ụlọ anyị, our house. Ọmarịcha ụlọ, beautiful house. Ụkwụ m toro ogologo. I have long legs. So can you say ooh? So it's just sound the same way with ooh, just a higher version of it. Great job. So now you're done learning the light vowels. We are going to be learning the heavy vowels in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and for learning. So if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, like, and share. Daalụ rienne. Ka emesianụ.